Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix your PlayStation 5 crashing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library, and basically guys right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. If you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, right here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, if you have your PlayStation 5 crashing a lot, this might have a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is maybe your storage is full. So in order to check if your storage is full, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you're here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Go ahead and click on storage. And then here you're gonna find console storage, USB extended storage, and installation location. Here in console storage, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your storage. If your PlayStation 5 is full, go back and then make sure you free up some space by deleting some games that you don't use, or you can also go to your media gallery and delete some photos and videos that you don't need. This will free up some space in your device and this might fix your problem. Once you free up some space, go ahead and click on the PS button on your controller, then click on power and restart your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.